These days, everywhere you look, you can see various sorts of garbage, such as chips bags, used plastic bags, water bottles, including fabric. Based on earth.org, we produce 100 billion clothes every year. And from that 100 billion, 92 billion ends up in landfill every second. I was thinking what I could possibly make out of used clothes to reduce fabric garbage overpopulation. Hi everyone, my name is A'iz Bilhuda Muhammad. I've thought about it for a while and I finally have something to make. I will make a bottle holder for your everyday bike. Let's begin. The materials are clothes that you are not wearing anymore, better use jeans, yarns, pins, sewing needles, buttons, a ruler, scissor, and of course rope. Oh, and yeah, why did I choose to make it? Because I enjoy cycling every day and I find it pretty uncomfortable if I'm thirsty on the way and I have to stop because my bottle is inside my bag. Now I'll show you how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is pick up clothes that you are not wearing anymore, better use jeans. Next, measure your water bottle with a fabric. After that, cut the fabric the same size with the water bottle. The first fabric is jeans, and for the extension, I use cotton fabric. Then, take these two fabric and sew it into one. You can use the same fabric or use a different fabric based on your own preference. Use the pins to make sure the fabric is steady. Then, for the handle, cut the fabric in the same size. The size is around 15 centimeters. Sew a button on each fabric. For me, it's 5 centimeters for the diameter based on the bike frame. Make a hole for the button. This is not formed yet. All you need to do is this and then sew it. So guys, here I already sewed the handle into the bottle holder. You may take a closer look. Now you have finished your self-made, sturdy, unique and artistic water bottle holder. Because you use buttons, you can place and remove your bottle holder to another bike, to a lamppost, to a goalpost, etc. That's it for me. I hope you will make this water bottle holder once in your life, or be original and create something new from some junk that you can find in streets or in your house. And yeah, that's it. Have a nice day everyone.